Hey guys, so today we're making a DIY hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is kind of scarce right now, so if you have these ingredients at home, you can make your own. I know a lot of naturals or plant moms may already have an aloe plant at home, so you can always pick one of the ripe leaves off, or you can find them at some grocery stores. So this is my piece of aloe that I have here. I'm just going to cut it into pieces and scoop out the gel. Alternatively, you can also use pure aloe vera gel if you have that at home as well. Okay, so I've cut up about half of my aloe leaf. I still have some left over, which I'm probably going to use on my hair. I'm going to be doing deep conditioning treatment with that. So this is my aloe. I'm now going to mix it with isopropyl alcohol, and you want to make sure you get the 99% one. I don't have exact measurements here, but it's basically 1 part aloe to 2 parts alcohol. I'm going to add 2 parts of the alcohol, and then I'm going to mix it together in this little blender, which is Keisha's. Okay, so the last thing you want to add is essential oils. I'm going to add about 5 to 10 drops. You can use any one you want, tea tree, lavender, whatever scent you prefer. I'm going with citronella because I want it to have kind of a lemony fragrance. So I'm just going to add 5 to 10 drops and give it another mix. So last step is packaging. You can find these sort of travel containers at your local dollar store or drugstore. So I'm just going to transfer this into these. If you made a really large quantity, you can also put it in an airtight mason jar just so it keeps. And that's pretty much it.